Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another review. We certainly appreciate you guys tuning in. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube, hit that bell notification button so you get all the notifications of all the cool reviews we do. And be sure to watch the CES reviews that we did as well. This here is a bag from ThinkTankPhoto.com. Now, if you know what, these guys, I love their bags. I'm not paid to say so. We use them exclusively on the Chris Voss Show everywhere we go, whether it's gig bags. Sometimes we'll use it as luggage, and we'll take it with us. This is the Video Workhorse 19. It's a Workhorse shoulder bag that's made for on-the-go experiences. It's a toolbox for video professionals. And it's pretty cool. It's got a striated aluminum and arched twin wall reinforced top lid and struts that create a collapse proof top. Now that's important because you don't want to have your camera crushed, especially from the top. You can have all sorts of protection around you, below you, in the bag, but you definitely want to have the top protected as well. And of course it has all the different high quality features that go into a Think Tank photo bag that we really like. It's designed to fit professional camcorders and video camera rigs so that you can just pull them right out of the bag and start shooting. Basically, so it can stay pretty much almost all in one piece, and that way you just pull it out, bang, you can start shooting. You don't have to sit there and put all the pieces and parts together. So it's designed kind of in that long format where it can hold everything and just be ready to go in a moment's notice. In the inside, it's got firmly planted bolster cushions and 3-layer interior lining and adjustable divider to cradle your sensitive gear, and it's nice and foamy and you can adjust these, of course, every which way. You can also use tie-down straps to secure your camera rig when transporting between locations so it's not banging around in your bag. The top lid opens wide for 100% access to your gear. It's got wide handle pass-through to attach to a trolley or rolling luggage. So you can sit this right on top of your trolley rolling luggage and take it with you. Full-length rails protect the bottom from scrapes and wet surfaces. That's important. Padded ergonomic non-slip shoulder pad included, so you can throw this over your shoulder. Front zippered pocket catch-all for batteries, memory cards, cables, and small accessories. It's got an interior zippered pockets that are great for tools, screws, bolts, filters, and small accessories. Everything you might need, even business cards. Padded air mesh back panel for comfort while carrying so you don't end up sweating all over it. And it's got an included seam sealed rain cover for downpour conditions, so you can pull that bag out, throw it around the bag, and you're covered for rain. It's got grab handles on 3 sides for lifting the bag in and out of a car, van, or truck. This is always great. You never know if you're going to throw it in overhead or whatever the case may be. And, you know, there it goes. You've got easy ways to grip it and move it around, throw it in the back of a taxi, put it up on your desktop so you can unload or load it. Everything you possibly could think of. Extra long zipper pulls that are easy to grab and easy to open. Reinforced dividers that support heavy gear and maintain strength over time. And a business card holder on the top for identification. I got to tell you, I love Think Tank photo bags. These guys put a lot of quality and care into their product. And geez, if I could keep them all, I would. I don't know why, because I don't have that many cameras to fill every single bag they have, or the ones we review. But we've loved them. I think we reviewed about 20 of their bags over the years. Check it out. Go to ThinkTankPhoto.com. Check out the Video Workhorse 19. Tell them Chris Voss sent you. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you next time.